Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use, how I kind of blend some of my Moodstruck Mineral, my pigment powder. So today I'm going to use Curious, which I'll use as my highlight, so it's like a really light color. Adorable, this will mainly go on my lid. It's a brown. And then I love this one. This one is Dignified. It is a green, so I'm going to put that on the outside here. It's a fun green color. Okay, so I'm going to use two different brushes. The first brush I'm going to use is my ankle shadowed brush, and I'm going to use the angled side of it. So I'm going to start with my brown, my Adorable, which was like the medium kind of color. Okay, and I'm going to put this on my lid. So these are just kind of like salt and pepper shakers. Put the cap on. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, I'm just going to dip my brush in. Got my brush a little here. Okay, I'm just gonna work my way across my lid here. I always put eye primer on first because I feel like that makes the color pop and it prevents the creasing and it makes my shadow last all day. So just kind of all the way across the lid, get up my lashes here. There we go. Okay, and then next I'm still using the angled brush, and I'm going to do my green, my Dignified, and I'm just going to kind of like make a V on the outer part of my lid here. So my green, as you can see, it's sparkly. It's kind of a bright green when you look at it, but when you mix this with other colors, it goes nicely. I have green eyes, so it goes really good with my eyes. I just kind of go up across my crease line there. About a third of the way over on my lid. Okay. And then, so that kind of makes it, it brings out that darker part of my eye. I might just tap just a little more. I feel like I'm putting a happy little tree on my face. Okay. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my liner shader brush. I'm going to use the shader part of it. And I'm going to use my really light, my Curious. It's a salt and pepper right here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Shake it up. Okay, my Curious. And I'm going to use this as a highlight. So I'm just going to dip it in my brush. And I'm going to go over top here to highlight the top of my brown line. And then I use it to kind of blend these two colors together. And then I also use it in the corner of my eye here. To give the corner of my eye, as you can see, I used it here in the corner. A nice little pop, okay? I will also use this color, so you can see on this eye, I lined, I use the brown eyeliner, but then I also dip the liner side of my brush in the lightest highlight shade up here. And I'm going to do it across the bottom of my eye as well. So, bye ladies.